In this video, I'm going to share with you the mistakes new YouTubers make. Hello, this is Ida 256UG. When you start a YouTube channel, sometimes you're so eager to find audience. You're so eager to find audience, gain popularity, have the subscribers, and getting the subscribers. We spend most of the time to get the popularity and getting the subscribers. Some of the mistakes YouTubers make while they have just joined YouTube and they need to avoid them include: number one, they use unrealistic niches. This is one of the mistakes YouTubers make. In this case, these YouTubers, they choose niches which are not possible to create new videos constantly. You can choose a niche and whereby this niche has little content. You cannot find enough content to be uploading your videos constantly. So instead of looking for niches with a wide range of ideas, they go with the one they have passion about. That is one of the mistakes YouTubers make. But there are some ideas which doesn't have a lot of content. So when you start creating videos, you may run out of ideas. To avoid this mistake, consider choosing a niche with many ideas. If you choose a niche without a lot of ideas, so later you may end up changing the subject, which makes it harder to get followers and gain and regain the position. Don't always rebrand. Another mistake YouTubers make, they diverse content. They create videos about everything, thinking that they will get more views or more followers, which is not true. Do not always change themes, like today you are talking about food, tomorrow you are talking about travel, the other day you're talking about education. This will not get you the followers and views. If you want to trend, if you want to stand out of the crowd, make sure you choose one topic and you concentrate on it. Like you may say, I'm going to make videos on how to do this. So make sure the videos you're making are related to that topic. Don't always post a lot of stuff which are not related to your niche or theme. So you need to stick to one subject and create useful content about it. Sticking to one subject will help you grow your audience and find you easier. So stick to one subject so that people might find you easier and grow your audience. Another mistake all new YouTubers make is they focus on numbers. In that, they try to focus on getting more views rather than creating good content. They focus more on promoting their videos, which is a big mistake, because you're promoting a video but you don't have content, good content. So instead of first promoting your video, make sure you first create good content or research. If you don't have good content and you spend most of your time promoting the videos, the viewers will not be watching your content. So focus on creating good content or good videos than focusing on getting views. When they focus on numbers, they don't put out good content. They just do videos so that they get numbers. If you concentrate on putting out good content, the numbers will accumulate. So to put out good content, you need to spend more time making more videos and improving on your skills. Put in mind that each time you upload a video is another chance for someone to find you. So put your focus on creating videos with good content, and put in mind that each time you upload a new videos, you get another chance for someone else to find you. Another mistake YouTubers make is they underestimate the benefits of thumbnails. In that, they neglect to work upon their thumbnail. In this case, some YouTubers, they don't make attractive thumbnails, and they forget that these thumbnails are potential things that attracts viewers to their videos. So the first thing a viewer see is a thumbnail. So if you don't make a good thumbnail, it will not attract many views to your videos. So to avoid this, create good thumbnails to attract audience. While creating your videos, you have to put in mind that attractive thumbnails makes viewers to click on the video. So as you're creating your video, create an attractive thumbnail so that the viewers can click on your video and you get views. If you want to grab people's attention, views, it's better you create engaging thumbnail, titles, and good descriptions. Number 5, they copy and paste. They do copy and paste. This is another mistake YouTubers make. They do copy and paste in that they imitate other people's editing styles. They want to copy everything from other YouTubers. For example, if there is a YouTuber that inspires that person, he or she might copy exactly what this person does by imitating their editing styles, music choice, speech, the way they speak. Copying other people's styles won't bring you views and subscribers. So make sure you don't always copy everything from other people's. If they inspire you, don't copy everything. Just get a little, but not everything. Don't copy everything from them. In this case, you only have to be original and do what you love and passionate about. This will get you views. If you do original stuff, it will get you views and subscribers. Be yourself. Don't copy everything from other people. Just do your own thing. Do things your own way. Don't always make a mistake of copying and pasting people's work. Another mistake YouTubers make is perfectionism. YouTubers always want to make perfect videos. They have that perfectism thing in them, in that they fear failures. For example, they want to do videos perfectly. They fear failures, and the fear for imperfection always gives them excuses, and they fail to do what they wanted to do because they want to present perfect work. They also make a mistake of fearing judgments and rejection. So if you want to grow as a YouTuber, don't make a mistake of fearing imperfections. Don't try to be perfect in everything. If you fear judgment and rejection, you will only waste your time and you won't make any progress. Number 7, being alone. This is another mistake YouTubers make, only YouTubers make. They always do their things alone. They don't collaborate with other YouTubers. If you want to succeed while doing YouTube, you have to collaborate with other people who do the same type of content with yours. So find the people you share with the same niches, the same themes, and collaborate with them if you want to grow on YouTube or to gain subscribers and followers. Make friends with them. Don't do everything alone. Consult them. Someone has a big following. Reach to them. Talk about how they manage to get the following. Befriend these people so that you also grow your YouTube channel. As you befriend many, the more you will be able to grow your YouTube channel. Collaboration will help you to grow your YouTube channel. It will help you to reach audience, and it gives you fun. So make sure you consider collaborating with other YouTubers. And number 8, they focus more on thinking about the analytics than creating great content. There is this YouTube analysis where they will show you the subscribers you've gained, the views, the popular videos. So YouTubers make a mistake of concentrating on this analysis than creating content. If you focus on this analysis, you will forget that you're just on YouTube to create good content, not to gain numbers. So if you create good content, and if you're focusing on the analysis, it will discourage you. So make sure you just create your content, people will love it, and then later you will create, and then later you will gain the numbers. Those are some of the mistakes YouTubers make. Thank you for listening to me. If you have liked the information in this video, don't hesitate to give it a like, share, comment. If you're new to this channel, Ida256UG, you can consider subscribing. If you are a returning subscriber, thank you for always returning and for supporting Ida256UG.